Focus the game on me and the writing. Clear? Writing should be clear. Okay? And focus the game on whatever I am teaching. Clear? For example, I am teaching these two lines. Focus your game on these two lines. Clear? So that if we replay the lecture, we may know it. Ali painted the garage last Saturday. Clear? It says, the garage is a direct object. Clear? And why the garage is a direct object? This is the question. We'll tell you. Through questions we learn. If I am asking you a question, it does not mean that I want to insult you. I want to make you learn something. Clear? When I am asking you a question, it means I want to make you learn something. Why the garage is direct object? Because action of painting is directly affecting garage. That's the reason garage is direct object. Next one. She is nervous. What is she?
Nervous.
What is she? Speak one by one. Get your credit. Get your credit. Speak one by one. Don't lose your credit. When you speak all together, you lose your credit. Right? A 0 credit goes to the class. Do you want a 0 credit? If you want some credit, raise your hands, then speak to me. What is she? Who will tell me? Yes, you?
Subject.
Subject. Well done. Thanks that you told she is a subject, otherwise you might have told that she is my friend, my fellow, class fellow. She, it is subject. She is a subject. Clear? And what is you will tell me? Wow. What is nervous? Again speaking together.
Object.
What is nervous?
Nervous is a verb. Action. Subject complement. Subject complement.
Written on the board. Already written on the board. It's a subject complement.
Linking name.
Clear? So the question is why it's a subject complement. Hold on. Why nervous is something? Keep sitting. No protocols.
Subject complement.
Why it is subject complement? Why nervous is a subject complement?
Link.
Sir, because nervous is the action that is performed by subject, that's why it is a subject complement. She is nervous.
Linking verb.
It links to the subject.
You, Saban? Aman?
Giving object to the subject. No.
I told you in the very beginning. Okay, let me tell you. Nervous is a subject complement because if I say she is, does it make a complete sense? It does not make a complete sense. Until and unless I put, I write nervous. Clear? So it completes the subject. It completes the subject. What is the name of the subject? She. Nervous completes the subject she. That's the reason nervous is a subject complement. Clear?
Yes.
Next one. Mother looks very angry. Looks very angry. Let's break it into grammar components. What's mother? Subject. One by one, please. Looks you.
But
Walk very well. What is very?
helping for
Add more. adverb?
Adverb.
I think it's
Adjective. Quantitative. Quantitative.
looks very.
Very. Very.
I think
Quantitative.
it's adverb.
Which adverb?
Adding meaning to the verb. Looks very. I think
Angry. Angry is object.
adding meaning to the adjective.
Yes.
Yes.
The one that adds meaning to the adjective is called adverb. Clear? So that is adverb. Next one, what it is? Angry.
Subject.
Yes, you have a question? Or you want to tell me something?
You wanna give the answer?
She wanted to give the okay. What is angry? Yes, you?
Subject object.
Mahalla ka?
Yes.
Angry. Clear? So angry is subject complement. So the question is why angry is the subject. Super duper question. Yes.
Because it completing the sentence, mother looks very, it not complete the sentence. If we
Yes.
add the angry, it's complete the sentence.
Yes, it is completing the subject mother. That's the reason it is subject complement. It is completing the subject mother. That's the reason it is subject complement. Clear? Next one. Ahmed left a message for me. So again, what is? Raise your hands. Yes, you?
Subject.
Subject. Next one, you. What is left? You. Wow, well done. Next one, a message. A message. You. What is the message?
Message is directly direct object.
Direct object. D-O. And then, what is me?
Indirect object.
I-O. Clear? Me is indirect object. Clear? Now the question is why? Again the question is why a message is direct object and me is indirect object. Who will tell me the reason? Aman. Why a message is direct object? Why me is indirect object?
Was it complete the sense? Give the answer.
What is the first form of left? Leave. Action of leaving is directly affecting.
Yes.
Is directly affecting who?
Subject.
Action of leaving is directly affecting who?
Message.
Okay.
Message. It is directly affecting message. That's the reason message is direct object. It is indirectly affecting me. That's the reason me is
Indirect object.
indirect object. Easier understanding is to visualize. The moment I ask you a question, you should visualize. For example, this is the message. Clear? This is the message. Clear? For example, it's not Emma, this teacher. Teacher left me. She says, teacher left me a message. Teacher left me a message. She got a message, okay? But first, action of leaving started the moment I picked the message. Action of leaving started the moment I picked the message. This is the message. Action of leaving is directly affecting message, then affecting me. She is me. Clear? Did you understand?
Yes.
You should visualize the actions, then you will understand. The moment I ask you a question, visualize the actions. Next one. Who will tell me what's your name? I forgot. So now what is the result? What are you? Subject. What is late? Bob. What is him?
Direct object. Direct.
The direct object. And what is happy?
Subject complement. Object complement.
Object complement. Clear? Well done. Well done, Junab. So let's see, why this is object complement, why this is direct object. Why him is direct object? Again visualize action of making
Is directly
affecting
him.
him. Action of making is directly affecting
Him.
him. Clear? The result is subject, made is verb, him is object. When subject is there, object is there, verb is there, or subject is there, verb is there, object is there, sentence should be complete.
Yes, sir.
It should give a complete sense. Even then it's not making a complete sense.
So that's
The result made him.
what made him
What it made him? What it made him?
happy.
Happy, angry, sad, bad. What it made him? Mad. Clear? Sometimes result makes you mad.
Mad.
Okay.
No.
Made him mad. Clear? So why happy is object complement?
Because it completes the sense of the sentence. That's
It is completing the
sentence.
object. Clear? Time is arguing over.
Over.
Okay, thank
3
you very
minutes
much.
silence.
Keep sitting till the
3
bell
minutes.
goes, till somebody presses the bell. If you have any questions, you may ask me online, offline, that's your choice. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.